If you like nutcrackers, they have very odd nutcrackers. Um, there's a very nice gentleman inside. All right, this is different. They're lights, but they're made out of Winchester 12 gauge shotgun shells. Yes, they are empty, people. They are empty for the Christmas tree. Now look at the little dolls. I don't know about that. I'm not into dolls, but we're at the Christmas shop called Red and Green. It smells good in here.
Very pretty, the store. Híjole.
Ornaments. Like the Easter rabbit.
Much better day to be out today than yeah.
Oh, yes, there was so many yesterday.
Look at the nutcracker.
Definitely dropped the temperature about 20 degrees below what it really was.
I like the colors on it.
Yeah, you.
A nutcracker with a frog on the top.
Oh, very pretty. Look, babe, all the nutcrackers.
Y'all come again. Thank you.
Look, so pretty.